Hey guys, want to make this quick intro for my lock extensions, goddess locks, mermaid locks, whatever you want to call them, okay? I am in love. I'm obsessed, okay? I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Yeah. This took me technically a week to do. I do have a 1 week update video already filmed that I think I'm just gonna post it with this video because it makes more sense. But I really love it. I'll be showing you guys what hair I used. I got hair for the ends from Amazon, and I only used one bundle for my whole entire head. Actually less than a bundle. I have a little bit of hair left. And then to wrap the locks, I had some Afro kinky twist hair from Y Wigs, and it's not Afro kinky twist, I'm sorry, Afro bulk hair from Y Wigs, and you'll be seeing how that looks in the later clip as well. But technically this took me a week to do, okay? I didn't expect it to take a week. I'm so sorry for the birds behind in the background. I don't know what they're doing, but they're hype. But anyways, yeah, so it took me a week to do. Originally, I had them wrapped like this one here. And I have two locks that have color in it just because, but they were wrapped like full locks at first. And then I washed my hair. A lot of them slipped out or started to unravel. So I went ahead and used an additional piece, like a smaller piece of the Afro kinky bulk hair to wrap around them again. So now they're like looking boho-ish, and they have that crinkly look, and they're not shiny anymore, so it blends better with my hair, my natural locks. And I did just retwist my hair last night, so I'm loving how it came out. I'm very excited for this new like journey part of my 3-year lock journey. I'm really loving how these came out. The hair from Amazon is really good. It doesn't really tangle that much. I can just run my fingers through it and kind of finger detangle, and that's usually what I do a couple days a week just to make sure it's not super tangled. But yeah, so you guys will be seeing a tutorial on how I do these, plus a 1 week update on these locks. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. This is the braiding hair I use. This is 100% human hair. This curl is called the curl wave, and it does leave a nice curl on my ends of my locks. But I'm going to show you what I use to braid my hair with first to get the curly ends. So this is the hair that I'll be using to wrap my locks with. This is the Afro kinky curly bundle hair from Y Wigs. They had really good reviews, so I took a chance and got it. This is human hair, 100% human hair, and I did try to dye it black because it was giving like number 2, number 4 when I first got it, and this is the color now, a lot closer to my natural hair color. I just used Adore jet black to water dye it. So this is what I'll be using. This is so fluffy. I wish I could use this as like bundles, you know, but no, I'll be using this to wrap my locks instead of like Marley hair or spring twist hair. So that's what you'll be seeing next. Okay, so what I'm showing here is the edge control from Maya Organics. I'm just using that to put on the tips, the straight part of the hair, so that it'll be easier to braid down and I don't have any frays going anywhere and stuff. I'm starting the braid off just like a regular braid, kind of like a box braid, but adding it to the ends of my lock so that it's basically extending my lock. And then here you see me kind of splitting the strand that was the fake hair or the extension hair. I add it to the 2 other legs of my braid and keep braiding down so that it's even all the way down. I'm making sure to braid very, very tightly, so that's why you're seeing me braid here in real speed to see how long it actually took me to make sure that my braid is extremely tight, so that there's no slippage. Once the extension hair is past my lock, I like to braid down about another 1/2 inch to 1 inch just to really secure it. And then that's it for the braid portion. So what I have down is what I have completed already, and the top ponytail is what is left to do. So I'm going to show you just one of how to wrap the hair. I'm going to show you where the braid is, right there where I'm pointing. And this lock is actually a combined lock. So you'll see the little split of hair right there. That split, yeah. So I'm actually starting above that point for the wrapping. So I'm taking this lock and twist gel and putting it at the straight part of the hair I'm using to wrap. It has a really nice curl pattern. And then I start from where the hair is split, where I'm combining the locks. I start there for the wrapping instead of starting at the braid. And then you just wrap it around, holding your opposite hand that you're holding the braid with, or the lock. Hold it tight, okay, so that it doesn't unravel. If you know how to do faux locks, this part would be easy for you. You just keep on wrapping until you get down about halfway of the hair, and then I'll show you what I do when I split the hair in half. Alright, so if you can see, I'm splitting the wrapping hair in half so that I have one leg on the bottom and one leg that I'm wrapping with. The one leg that I'm wrapping with first, that one is being wrapped all the way to the bottom of where I can't wrap anymore. And the second leg will be used to wrap upwards. I wrap up first and then I wrap back down to secure the lock. Alright, so now I'm going to start wrapping upwards. I hold the end of the hair and then just go and start wrapping upwards. I wrap up about halfway up the lock and then I wrap back down with the last couple strands of hair in order to lock the lock in place. Give the lock a quick rub just to make sure it's secure, and that's it.